makes me so mad I can pull up my hair. Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I want to talk about how to get rid of the rust that gets on your tools. All right friends, so last year we had the whole Rona thing going on. They gave us a disinfectant to spray all over everything. Well, cool story, it made all my steel tools rust. So now we have rusty tools to deal with. So frustrating. So, on top of all the other things we have to do in the shop, get ready for stuff, you know, all the work that needs to be done, sharpening things, getting things pristine, we now need to take the rust off of a lot of tools. So the way we are going to do that, or rather, the way I am going to do that, is use a product called Blaster. Okay, it used to be called PB Blaster. There it is, PB. So Blaster is good at removing rust. It's good at getting stuck rusty bolts and nuts to turn. So we're gonna use it on our tools that are rusty. We are also going to use steel wool and kind of scrub that rust off. All right, so I have some steel wool here. This is what they call 4/0. It's extremely fine. I like to use this when taking the rust off of the tools. I like to scrub it with that. But the first thing I'm gonna do is take this blaster and spray it. And you can see how it starts. Well, you can't really see it that well, but it starts taking the rust off of this steel. Now, I don't have any rust on the painted surfaces because they're protected, and on the stuff that's either stainless steel or galvanized, there's no rust on that either. But the stuff that's just uncovered bare steel, that's where it gets rusty. So this is gonna be a process, folks, and I'm not gonna show you the whole process because it takes a while. But I spray some PB Blaster on here, and then I have to scrub it with my steel wool. You can use a more coarse grit, but I like the super fine because it's not gonna leave any scars or any marks. We're just getting that rust off. We're not trying to get into that steel. So a lot of scrubbing, a lot of spraying. So you can see it's already looking a lot better as opposed to like this side that hasn't been scrubbed yet, but it's getting a lot better. We'll continue to scrub this. We'll scrub this. This blaster also acts as a protectant against future rust. So that's a good thing. We want to be able to protect our tools against future rust. As you can see, I have a lot of scrubbing to do on this stuff. You want to make sure you're not going to scrub your blade and dull it. This one's actually probably pretty dull as it is. It'll need sharpened. So I'll keep scrubbing on these and trying to get them back to the original non-rusty shape. There's a lot of tools here, a lot of drawers, a lot of handles that got rusty because of the disinfectant that we were given to spray everything down with. All right, so there you go, folks. Now you can also protect your tools. You can get some steel wool and some blaster and get your tools back into where they should be, the shape that they should be in order to work properly. Make sure to work hard, folks, even when you're frustrated and have to do things that need to be done because stuff happens. Make sure to work hard because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.